Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting world of Fiverr, the ultimate online marketplace for freelancers and businesses. Whether you are a creative professional looking to showcase your skills or a savvy entrepreneur in search of affordable and high quality services, Fiverr has got you covered. So, as I say, Fiverr is an online marketplace where individuals and businesses can buy and sell a wide variety of digital services. It provides a platform of freelancers, known as sellers, to offer their skills and services, called gigs, to potential buyers. So, first thing you have to do is to come over to fiverr.com, and over here all you have to do is click to join at the top right here. So click on join now. You can enter your email, or you can sign up by using Google or Facebook or Apple. That process makes it a lot easier because you don't have to enter all your detail manually. So for the video, I will continue with Google. So when you've signed up on this website and you finished up all your verifications, this is how Fiverr will look like. As you can see, we have a lot of things going on here. At the top right here, we have a search bar and a couple of categories that are the most popular on Fiverr. As you can see, we have graphics and design, and here we have more options. We have digital marketing, writing and translations, video and animation, music and audio, and many more. We have also here these options. We have notifications and messages and lists. Now, the first thing to do when you create an account is, of course, start making your gigs. You want to make sure that it's something that you can actually do some kind of service that you can provide to somebody else. And when you're making your gigs, you want to make them look as professional as possible. So the more professional you can make your gig look, the better your chances are getting that. So this include three things. The first one, adding photos that are relevant to your gig and can show example of what you're doing. Two, having a good explanation of what you can do for them in the description, as well as having those terms search engine optimized so that person can actually find your gig. And the last thing, making sure that your profile looks professional enough. So now let's see how to create any sort of gig for any project in the world. All we have to do is to click on profile and click on become a seller. And in this page, as you see, if we scroll down, we have how it works. So one, create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig and offer your word to our global audience. Two, deliver great work, get notified when you get an order and use our system to discuss detail with customers. Three, get paid on time every time payment is available for withdrawal as soon as it's clear. So what you want to do is to click on become a seller. And then you have to click on continue. And also here click on continue. And here. So in this page we have personal information. This information will appear on your public profile so that potential buyers can get to know you better. So we have to enter your full name, first name and last name, and this is the display name. For the profile pictures, you choose the convertible image. For example, I will choose these pictures. And the descriptions, you have to show some of work experience and maybe your project. And here, the language, you have to select the language you want, English or Arab or anything you want, the level of your language, and click on continue. The second page is the professional information. Your occupation, here we have the choice. For example, I will choose digital marketing, affiliate marketing, anything you want to choose, marketing advice from the years from 2020 to 23. Add, we have skills. You have to add your skills. For example, designer. Experience, for example, beginner or intermediate or anything you want, education, country of college. You have to complete all this information. For example, United States. Also United States. So if you have any certificate of award that are relevant to the service, here and the personal website, and click on continue. And the third page is a linked account. Taking the time to verify and link your account can update, upgrade, your credibility and help us provide you with more business. So click on continue. And the last page we have account security. Put your email here and a phone number. For example, add a phone number. So then when you put your phone number,